Y'all, I want to show y'all a $4 meal. I got pho, chicken pho, some, let's see, I think this is the Dragonfruit Tea from Katrina's. Man, this tea be bomb. This is the pho. My nails are so long. And I make them give me mine separate so I can make my own. So, the packaging here. Man, when I tell y'all the packaging be fire. So, we got chicken pho, the noodles. Let's see, let's take it. I'm probably gonna have to put some little seasoning in there. That's good. Let's see. And here we got the broth, right? I make them put mine separate so I can do my own little thing. And this pho be fire. I ain't even gonna front. It'll be fire. So this is about the only Vietnamese meal that I do eat here. I'll do the pancakes or the with shrimp in it or whatever. Do that like so. Okay. Then we got the veggies. Spoon and the chopsticks. Also got these aloe vera chunks too. That goes in my tea. Oh, that's the dragon fruit. This is, okay, so this is the dragon fruit right here. It comes in this little package right here. The packaging here be fire. This is the dragon fruit. Can you see it? Katrina's. So, that's what that looks like. And so you take your little, I don't fool with the peppers because this is a sauce. This is garlic. And this is lime. And then we got the little peppers, green peppers and the red peppers. I'm not a spicy girl, so I won't be eating that. But I will take my lime. Squeeze it in there like so. Just a little bit. I don't need it, And these are the veggies. These are the veggies. And you take it like so. I'm not gonna put all of them in there on, I can't remember. I think it might be mint. I can't remember. But this is what you do. I'm so picky and so funny style. I'm weird like that. I'll take a little more because it's pretty good in it. And I haven't been eating vegetables lately. So, open my little chopstick. The packages, they be on it with the packaging, man, I'm telling you. Open it if I could open it, if I could get the thing. My nails be so damn long. Got our chops, our spoon, Cause I ain't good with the chopsticks, but I be trying to get it in. So take my chops. I've been craving this though too. See, but I gotta have a little bit of soy sauce in my pho. Look, see, I be struggling, y'all. Lord, Gila, let me give me some soy sauce. Give me a little soy. Drop that in there like so. Extra bag of broth just in case I need it. Oh, let's see. Okay, let me see if I can do this. Normally I can. And then they taught me to do this. Let's see what it tastes like. Yeah, that's good. That's a fire. I wonder, can I not do these chopsticks? Cause they